Welcome back. CP Trades here, back to another trade recap for you guys. Today we made this amount of money times 3. Yeah, you will see in the thumbnail how much it makes exactly, but I don't really want to count it up right now. Yeah, let's get over the trade. Let's get over the buyers of today, why I took this trade, why I took it. And yeah, let's start from the beginning. But before we start, I gotta do some self-glazing because look at what I've outlined in the weekly outlook from Sunday. I wanted to see a engineering of liquidity below us with an retracement afterwards, AMD inside this 4 hour fair value gap, and then the last market maker but buy the sell model to the downside, and that's exactly what we've gotten here. We got a nice retracement. Let me remove all the painting into this fair value gap here. Nice AMD, and then last delivery down to this sell side liquidity here. Absolutely textbook. Beautiful delivery. I hope you have seen the video. So much sauce in there. Yeah. But yeah, let's get right to our trade recap here. Coming into the day, I had a neutral bias because we were just inside. Let me replay this one to show you. Start new, come on. Yeah. Because we were just ranging inside this range and we have dumped over 1,500 points the day before, and that's why I was pretty cautious. I wanted to be patient, want to see what the market will offer us. And yeah, my most key areas were this untapped 4 hour FVJ and this previous day low. And what I wanted to see is how we're gonna react at this bearish 1 hour FVJ. If we would invest this one, I would have the 4 hour FVJ, untapped 4 hour FVJ would have been my drawn liquidity. But if we would have respected and started to displace down, the previous day low would have been my drawn liquidity. So I waited until 10 a.m. and we got a nice inverse and the engineering of liquidity up here. So that's where I wanted to see some longs. As you can see, pretty nice stacked equal highs here and an untapped 4 hour FVJ. That's pretty significant, a pretty nice drawn liquidity. And yeah, for longs, I waited for this 15-minute FVJ to open up, and I wanted to see a retracement into it, and then some confirmations to the upside. And yeah, to my surprising, we really got a retracement into the 15-minute FVJ. First, I thought, yeah, okay, we just gonna pump up and take all the strong liquidities out, but no, we got a pretty nice retracement down. And yeah, what I wanted to see is some tap here and some tap, sweep of this liquidity here, and then a delivery to the upside. Yeah, that was my game plan. So we just waited. We set our plan, we waited, and we got paid for it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me show you guys. Yeah, we get a nice sweep candle, nice reaction here. And then nice displacement to the upside with a nice CISD here. We also opened up a beautiful 1 minute bullish fair value gap here, which I will mark in blue. And that was pretty much all I wanted to see. I set my limit here. TP up here because I'm in severe drawdown, as you guys know, so I just want to take low hanging fruits and don't be greedy. So we waited. We got tapped in. Yeah, okay. And yeah, price almost instantly delivered up to our drawn liquidity. We got out and we banked. That's pretty much it. We could have left. I mean, we could have even targeted for the unfilled for our VJ, but as I said, I don't want to be greedy. Just take low-hanging fruit, and that is pretty much it. And what I've seen afterwards is that we have formed a pretty nice setup. Um, After we have taken or filled the 4 VJ, we got some sweep up here, some internal manipulation, and then bang, inverse value gap. You could have brought it up here. Bang, TP would be this one. Low resistance liquidity. Bang. Pretty nice. Extremely beautiful delivery. In general, pretty nice PA lately. I really love it. Remembers me of old times, where Biden was in office. Yeah, that's it. I hope you guys have taken some knowledge here. And I hope you guys will consider watching these Sunday market reviews, because like I said, we predicted all this move to the downside, to the sell side liquidity pool. Unfortunately, not much opportunities for us yesterday, but that's part of trading. Yeah, you can't get setups every day. That's pretty much it. Yeah, just gotta wait for the market to come to you, not the other way around. Yeah, that's it, guys. That was my trade for the day. Trade well, stay safe, and be humble, guys. Be humble. I will see you in the next one.